I'm now at a cross-country ski resort called Teacup Lake. Sort of an informal resort. There's a little box that you stuff some. They asked for a $7 donation, so pretty fair deal. And there's only like 12 miles of trails here, but I'm sure that's more than enough to kill a day or two. And as you can see, this is just unbelievable scenery right here. That is Mount Hood there. Tallest mountain in Oregon, and a volcano along the lines of Mount St. Helens, except that dormant, not extinct, but I think pretty unlikely to do anything. Oh, hey. Hey, bird. And another one. Four. Holy crap. Well, looky here. Holy moly. These guys are, I don't even have the zoom on right now. Check this out. Wow. Cool. Didn't expect that to happen. Good day to be out skiing. That's for sure. Only problem is it's almost too hot.